Hey there viewers, and welcome back to Grumpy Monkey Garage. We're bringing you another section of the Basics series. Today we're going to demonstrate what a tire rotation is and kind of how it's done. So the primary purpose of a tire rotation is to extend the life of your tires. What it does, we move the front tires to the back, we move the back tires to the front. The reason we do that is because as you steer, it actually tilts the tires out and wears the edges. I'll show you some more of that later. But it's a very simple procedure. You'll just jack up the car, unbolt the front tires, move them to the back, move the back tires to the front, and bolt them back up. It's relatively simple. Let's get started. So the reason we do a tire rotation is you want to get the edge wear to wear evenly as you're driving. So when you drive the car, when it steers, it actually leans out a little bit. If you go and steer your car, you'll see it'll lean just slightly. And it'll wear along the edges right here where you can see. And if you rotate them from the steering wheels to the back wheels, it'll extend the life of the tires, which is very important to maintain good tire life. So that's why, in part of a basic service, we're going to do a tire rotation.
All right, one more thing to remember is you always want to tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern as you see here. The reason for this is if you tighten one right next to the other, you'll actually pull the wheel slightly in that direction. So you want to make sure you're tightening it evenly so it'll seat against the rotor or drum correctly.
So that's all there is to a tire rotation. You're literally just moving back tires to the front tires to the back. And this was actually in here for a part of the work service, which we also did an oil change, which you can see in another video, an oil change on this exact car about 4 years ago. You're just going to reset their sticker in there and send them on their way. So that's all we got time for today. Thank you for watching Grumpy Monkey Garage.